This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sandy Schneierle. Downstairs bedroom and full bath. Downstairs laundry room with sink. Formal living room and dining room. Family room with gas fireplace. Kitchen remodeled, 2016, with new cabinets, granite countertops, ceramic tile floor, under cabinet lighting, and appliances including gas range. Master bathroom remodeled with tiled stand-up shower in 2016. Hardwood floors, no carpet, were refinished in 2016. HVAC replaced in 2017. Large bedrooms. Pull-down attic stairs to a stand-in attic with plywood floors for storage. Freshly washed and painted outside. Nestled in the back of the Riverview neighborhood on a large corner.